Welcome to the Adobe After Effects Complete TV Graphics Masterclass. If you've ever watched a TV channel, an OTT platform, or a YouTube creator, and wondered how those stunning logo reveals, smooth lower thirds, dynamic news tickers, sports score graphics, or dramatic promo titles are made, you're about to learn it all. Broadcast design powers the visual identity of the world's biggest networks, from NBC, CBS, ABC, CNN, HBO, CNBC, Fox News, to iconic shows like American Idol. Every frame you see is shaped by motion graphics. And now you will learn the same skills used across studios, broadcast houses, and digital platforms worldwide. In this masterclass, we start from the basics and build your knowledge step by step into a complete broadcast graphics package. You'll learn clean animation, professional project structure, channel IDs, logo reveals, elegant lower thirds, news and promo graphics, OTT banners, YouTube intros, HUD lines, wipe transitions, and so much more. Whether you're a video editor, motion designer, graphic artist, or web professional, this course gives you the tools to create modern, clean, industry-standard graphics ready for TV, streaming, and digital media. By the end, you'll have the confidence to design professional broadcast graphics and your own portfolio-ready TV graphics package for jobs, freelancing, or studio work. And the journey doesn't end here. This course continues to grow, with new lessons, new projects, and new updates released regularly, all free for lifetime learners. So if you're ready to step into the world of professional broadcast and digital graphics, let's begin right now inside Adobe After Effects.